friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 10th standard. Today we are going to learn about gravitational force. What is gravitational force? Each body in the universe attracts other bodies together itself with a force known as gravitational force. That gravitation is a study of interaction between two masses. Out of the two masses, the heavier one is called source mass and the lighter one is called test mass. Gravitational force is a central force which depends only on the position of test mass from the source mass and always act along the line joining the center of the two mass. Gravitational force. Force with which Earth pulls everything towards itself. It is a force of attraction between particles of matter. Example, ball thrown up returns back to Earth due to gravitational force. Newton saw apple falling from a tree. Then he invented gravitational force. Gravitation or just gravity is a force of attraction between two bodies. All the objects in the universe attract each other with a certain amount of force, but in most of the cases the force is too weak to be observed due to the very large distance of separation. Besides, gravity range is infinite, but the effect becomes weaker as objects move away. This force of attraction was first observed by Sir Isaac Newton and was presented as Newton's law of gravitation in the year 1680. However, gravitation can generally exist in two main instances. 1. Gravitation may be the attraction of an object by the earth. Example, if a ball is thrown upwards, it reaches a certain height and falls downwards because of the gravity of the earth. 2. Gravitation may be the attraction of object in outer space. Example, force of attraction between the other planets and sun. What is gravity? Gravity is the way in which masses communicate with each other. Every mass in the universe reaches out to attract every other one, and every mass feels an attraction from every other one. The falling apple. Newton knew that without an outside force, moving objects continue to move at constant speed in the straight line. If an object undergoes a change in speed or direction, then a force is responsible. History of gravitational theory. Ptolemy has proposed a geometric model which failed in understanding planetary motions led to the development of the heliocentric model by Nicolaus Copernicus. This idea is based on the rotation of the test mass around the source mass in circular orbits. All through the model currently predicts the position of planets and their motions, but has failed in explaining many aspects like the occurrence of seasons, which led the construction of a model based on Kepler's law of planetary motion. Vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. The vector form of Newton's law of gravitation signifies that the gravitational force acting between the two particles from action-reaction pair. From the above figure, it can be seen that the two particles of masses are placed at a distance. Gravitational force formula. It is the gravitational force formula. If you read and see that, it will be clear to you. Friends, today we have learned about gravitational force. I think this class is interesting and useful to you. Thank you friends. Bye. Have a nice day.